Hey, welcome back, my awesome student. So on this lecture, we're going to fix a little bit of styling here in our index. So as you can see here from slide to slide, if you have a different size image, this is going to look a little funny. Okay. So let's just fix this real quick. We could do this with the, outside of it, by going to the styles.css. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a style tag here in the get active slide function. And I'm just going to do a height of maybe 450 pixels, depending on your image size. Okay. And I'm going to copy this guy. And this is get active slide. And then get slides right here. And I'm going to put it right in the image tag. Okay. On both of those. So now that should fix the issue. If I refresh here, then we should have a slide that have the same height no matter what picture it is. Okay. Of course, you might want to, make this a little bit better by doing some CSS in the back. But this is just a quick fix there just to show you guys that you can just do an inline styling here and take care of that issue. All right. Anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next lecture.